Voce. Hello, this is a Crane Voce hot drink machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the mixing bowl and then replace it. First thing you want to do is turn your chute up or take the canister out. The next thing you want to do is grab this green lever latch ring here with your left hand up near the panel, and then with your right hand you're going to grab this vertical lever, and while you're pushing up against the panel you're going to turn that lever to the left until it stops. Then with your right hand you're going to grab the mixing bowl and keep your left hand on that ring, and at the same time you want to pull the bottom and the top section out at the same time, and that takes your mixing bowl off. Under there you have your impeller and your gasket. Sometimes when you pull the mixing bowl off, it's going to pull that off with it. In this case it did not. So what you're going to do here is you're going to grab the impeller with your fingers on both sides and pull it off straight. It clips right off. Now you have your gasket in the back here, and you want to grab your gasket and pull it off of the motor shaft. So I'm going to take these parts off, the mixing bowl, the impeller, and the gasket, and clean that in a tub or in a sink. Okay, to reinstall it, take your gasket, push it over the motor shaft until it's flush all the way in the back. Now this is the tricky part. On your impeller, there's a little embossed line on there. It's hard to see, but you want to line up that embossed line to the little flat side on the end of the shaft. So feel the end of the shaft and you'll feel a little flat edge there. You want to turn the shaft until it's pointing in the up position, like the 12 o'clock position, and line that impeller line up to that flat part of the shaft and just snap it right on. It should go on real easy. So then you're going to take your mixing bowl. You want to turn this lever all the way to the left until it stops. Again, with your left hand, hold that ring in the bottom, and then with your right hand grab the upper part, and you want to line up the orifices to the nozzle and then the hood opening here to the opening here on the exhaust box. So you want to get everything lined up before you push it in, and then push everything in evenly until it's flush up against the panel. It's very important that it's flush all the way around this ring. That ring is flush up against the panel, and then while you're pushing that ring up against the panel, grab the lever and turn it to the right until it latches in place. And don't forget, turn your chute back down so the product goes into the mixing bowl. And that's how it's done.